As I look back on my birthday celebration, I feel truly grateful. It wasn't just about the cake, the candles, or the gifts. It was about the love, the smiles, and the presence of the people who matter most. Every greeting and every message reminded me that life's real treasures are not material things, but the relationships we build and the memories we create. Thank you to everyone who made my day so meaningful. You turned a simple celebration into a beautiful reminder of how blessed I really am. As I welcome another year in my life, I carry your love, your wishes, and the inspiration to keep growing, to keep believing, and to keep spreading kindness. Here's to more moments, more lessons, and more reasons to be grateful.
Thank you, AJ.
Cheers to life, love, and to everything in between. Thank you so much, guys. Bago pala ang event, sila Bessie Joy, meron palang binabalak. Eto na nga.
Yo, di kami. Pabukas.
Yan, may pa-surprise pa sa akin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hindi na, mag-share muna. Cheers.
Siyempre pa, hindi kompleto ang birthday pag wala party. Go, 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 go! Party of party! Yeah! Yung na hanggang umaga. O, diba ang saya? Darat na mga kadyo! Halika na kayo! Go, go, go! Enjoy the night, guys.
I want to make the round again. I want the door I can take anymore. It's not you. You let me down again.
Please like, share, comments, and follow for more. Thank you for watching. Bye.